Dear parents, very good morning to all of you. There is an important announcement that we are going to start the function within 10 more minutes. So I just request you to please wait. Thank you.
The participants need to abide by the rules and regulations of the junior athletic meet and promise to compete with sincerity, dedication, and truthfulness. We will also acknowledge the decisions of the officials as final and binding.
Yes, final and binding.
Thank you.
On this special occasion, we will also have our colorful balloon release, symbolizing joy, freedom, and celebration. Now we request our esteemed chief guest, our school. The sky is also witnessing our excitement and celebration today. We wish balloons. Let the vibrant balloons carry our hopes high into the sky. So now with these balloons, we also begin our sports meet with full of energy and togetherness. Now, I request our chief guest to please declare the sports meet ceremony. Ma'am, for your kind words. Now I request our respected principal ma'am to warmly welcome our esteemed chief guest. Thank you for joining us today.
To celebrate the beginning of today's energetic and our young talented athletes are ready with a beautiful dance performance that carries a meaningful message. Together we thrive, the theme of our sports meet. We invite you
एक ऐसा देश जिसे पश्चिमी ताकतों ने हमेशा सिर्फ एक लैंड ऑफ स्नेक चार्मर्स की हैसियत से देखा, लेकिन इसी भूमि से एक ऐसा हीरा निकला जिसकी चमक और प्रतिभा के समक्ष एक दिन सारा जग नतमस्तक हो गया। आगे चलकर ये हीरा हॉकी का जादूगर मेजर ध्यानचंद के नाम से प्रसिद्ध हुआ।
beautifully spreading the message of unity, energy, and teamwork.
Encourage them and celebrate their wonderful journey in this sports meet. Yashvinod, Divyansh, Tejansh and Adva Nagraj from preschool. Let's cheer our tiny rabbit parents. And now it's time for the most adorable moment of the day. Smile. dressed in the cute bunny headgears, ready to hop, run, and collect as many carrots as they can. Parents and children, let's cheer for our tiny rabbits! Show some love for our little champions and encourage our cute bunny runners as they race with joy and excitement. Let's cheer for our tiny rabbits, everyone! Show some love for our little champions as they're running and grabbing their positions. Love and cheer for our tiny stars! And now it's time for the preschool girls. It's time for the final race for our preschool girls, the Hoopla race. I cannot hear some claps and cheers for our tiny stars, everyone. So now our little girls, encourage them with smiles and claps as they give their best on the field. Parents, please give a big round of applause for our Hoopla champs. Yay! Encourage them with smiles and claps. Let's motivate our Hoopla champs. Yell loudly for our preschool Hoopla girls.
boys and parents, please boost their confidence during the race. All the best, boys. What a finishing! Let's cheer for our pre-primary. It will be the final round for the pre-primary boys. Winners, be ready at the starting line. Okay, it's a semi-final, another round of semi-final round for pre-primary boys. Then it will be a final round. Come on, I can see first, second, and third. And participation also matters. Come on, very good, Sunil. Now our pre-primary semi-final round once again. And then our top champions. Come on, Milkhas, be on the starting line. Get set, ready for the marker and code race once again.
Boingam, come on, fast, okay? Run fast.
Parents,
Yes,
please
my
show
lady.
your support.
Come on, come on. Oh.
A little clap will do wonders to our students. As we can see at the starting line, one is already showing the victory sign. Yes, come on,
Come on, Boingam, fast. Boingam, fast.
one more time. Yay! A big round of applause for the great.
बहुत slow.
Very good, boys. Keep it up. 22 balls are left. Our hands on the clock. Let's take it. Go! The pure champion for us. Of class preschool. Krishna ma'am. Tejash. Clap out loudly, parents. Tejan's parents are here. They may please join. It's a proud moment for the parent. Clap out loudly, all everyone. The students sitting here, parents, teacher, everyone. This is a matter of pride. Position second has been attained by Adhav Nagaraj of preschool. Adhava, we are proud of you, Adhava. Can we have the parents here? Adhava's parent, ma'am, please join. तालियां रुकनी नहीं चाहिए, please. The clap, clap of motivation for us. Clap, clap. Cheer, cheer. Clap, clap.
Cheers, cheers.
Clap, clap.
Cheers, cheers.
Clap, clap.
Cheers, cheers.
Our first winner of preschool boys category is Yash Vinod.
हाँ जी
Clap out loudly for him. Parents, please join. Hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip! Thank you so much, parents. Now moving on to the next category, pre-primary powerhouses are here. Now I'll be announcing the category for boys, and the third position has been attained by Riyansh Sinha of pre-primary A section. Can we have Riyansh Sinha? We'll be announcing the winners, the girl category from preschool, and the third position holder is Devanshi. Harshika Meena, can we have a big round of applause for her?